Hi and welcome to the Pensacola State College Library website. Today we're going to show you how you can access one of the library's databases, Films on Demand. From the library's website, pensacolaState.edu/library, we have a search box that allows you to search the library's catalog for physical and digital materials on any subject. As an example, let's look for the Ken Burns documentary series, Country Music. Our results show us that we have the book based on the television series on PBS. We could check this material out or place a request on the item if it was checked out. But if we want to watch the series, we can do so by using the library's database, Films on Demand. Films on Demand is a free video streaming service available to all Pensacola State College students, faculty, and staff with a variety of titles from producers such as National Geographic and PBS. To access the database, click on the Databases by Title tab at the top of the catalog. This will likely prompt you to log into your library account. You'll need to select Pensacola State College and type in your 14-digit library card number and PIN. Your library card number can be found at the bottom of your PSC ID starting with 251 or in your Spyglass account under FLA State Library Number. Your PIN will be the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. If you're having trouble logging in, contact the library and we'll be happy to help. Information on how to get in touch with us is located in the description of this video. From this list of databases, you can select Films on Demand or choose F to narrow down the list. The front page of Films on Demand will show off a variety of featured and newly added materials to the database. New films and videos are added daily. Feel free to browse the featured videos or use the search box at the top of the page. Let's search for Ken Burns Country Music again. Our results will give us relevant videos to the keywords we searched, and we've got just what we're looking for. Films on Demand has organized the documentary into a series page where you can choose individual episodes. Click on the video's title and enjoy full, uninterrupted access. There are also features such as closed captioning, playback speed, and citation tools. If you have any questions or need help, please let us know. Information on how to get in touch with us is located in the description of this video. Happy reading, happy watching, and we'll see you in the library.